Rajkumar Singh Rathod. Welcome to Fly Rajputs towards infinity. This is the 7th lecture in the series of mechanical engineering lectures, production process. And today's question is, what are the different instruments used for linear measurement? So the first one is steel rule. Steel rules are used for taking measurement of workpiece to an accuracy of 1 mm to 0.5 mm. Second one is calipers. A caliper is used to transfer dimension from one element to another element or to compare dimension of one element with the another element. There are 4 types of calipers which are used: outside caliper, inside caliper, odd leg caliper, and transfer calipers. Third one is dividers. Dividers are used for transferring dimensions and marking curves and circles. Fourth one is depth gauge. Depth gauge is used to measure depths of blind holes, grooves and slots. Fifth one is telescopic gauge. Telescopic gauge is used for measuring internal size of holes. Sixth one is micrometers. There are 4 types of micrometers which are used: external micrometer, internal micrometer, screw thread micrometer, and depth gauge micrometer. External micrometer. External micrometer is used for external measurements like measuring diameter of a shaft or thickness of a plate. Inside micrometer. Inside micrometer is used to measure inside diameter of shafts. Screw thread micrometers. They are used for measuring pitch diameter of screw threads. Depth gauge micrometer. It is used for measuring depth of holes. Seventh one is vernier calipers. Vernier calipers are used for measuring external as well as internal diameters and thicknesses. Eighth one is vernier height gauge. It is used for measuring height of an object. Ninth one is vernier depth gauge. It is used for measuring depth of holes. 10th one is vernier gear tooth caliper. It is used for measuring thickness of gear tooth at pitch circle. And the last one is slip gauges. Okay, so these are the instruments used for taking linear measurements. Hope you liked this video. If you liked, click on the like button. Do share this video to all your colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.